2019 BMW S1000RR.
But the in package has a seat. You can actually
Another super bike, Hulyan. Oh, the face looks different now, oh, than before. Maya. It looks more of an insect. It looks like an insect. The face or the front of the bike. The eyeballs. Wait, Hulyan, I'm gonna take a picture of you. Wait lang.
Oh, look at the liquid.
Almost
again.
done, wait.
It's the liquid again. Oh, stop her again. Stop it.
Not what it's for.
Whoa, nice looking bike, huh, guys?
Yeah.
HP4.
Is this a really modern one?
Yeah. Look, oh, it has racing tires, Hulyan. No tread at all. So sleek, huh? Racing super bike. Let's go to Kawasaki? Okay, let's go. Markslen. Who's the one who said that he likes red? You? There you go.
But for motorcycles,
Honda for you, color red.
but my most favorite color is yellow.
Yellow?
Uh-huh.
Ah, okay.
But for motorcycles, red is my favorite.
Okay. 2019 Honda CBR 600RR. A sport bike, Hulyan.
And you can pull this up. Look at that one. That looks cool.
Undertail exhaust. Honda 650R. Honda CBR 650R. A standard motorcycle. Maya, good job. Huh? Yeah. Broom, broom, Maya. ...2019 Honda CBR 300R.
What's that? I think this is oil inside there. This right here.
Yeah, ano yan? Liquid for the brake.
Oh, so you're saying they use that liquid to use
For the front brakes.
I see.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
You like the color, Hulyan? Black, satin black with red stripes.
Yeah, I like the red.
Yeah. Okay, 2019 Honda CBR 1000RR.
Whoa. Whoa.
A super bike.
Oh, I didn't know this was a super bike. You like Honda?
It's like the Yamaha R1, Hulyan.
So fast.
Oh, Hulyan is riding fast, oh.
You like Honda? So I prefer this than mine. You like Honda? Yeah. This is... I like Kawasaki.
See this right here? That's my cab. You have to get that bike by the standard SP2 foot peg.
Ooh, I like the gold rims. And the ano, the dampers. Brembo brake calipers. There you go, boy. 2019 Honda CBR 1000RR with gold wheels. Maya, don't do that. You might tip over the bike.
Yes.
HRC Honda Racing.
Also, make sure you check out the Discover the Ride program, where new riders, unlicensed riders, if you're brand new, you want to learn how to ride a motorcycle.
Daddy, look behind.
A what? A Honda scooter.
The first of the 2018 series.
Scooter Hulyan Mobile.
Motorcycle shows tour.
Skirt, skirt, skirt.
A scooter, no, guys?
It's very fun.
Yeah, that looks fun. Mommy will have fun on that scooter.
Oh, it only goes to a maximum of 40 miles per hour.
40 miles per hour maximum speed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And 60 kilometers an hour.
Yeah, street riding. Where's Maya? Hi, Maya.
Space.
Honda Grom.
A street.
That's a small motorcycle, Maya.
Street.
Good for street riding. Nice color, oh, light blue
Like the
or
blue.
sky blue,
Like
right? Only 125cc. That's a small engine displacement.
What does it say?
Huh?
What does it say?
Honda Monkey with ABS.
Monkeys. I like monkeys.
Hey, did you know that John Lennon had that motorcycle?
No, I only knew the monkeys.
A Honda Monkey
I already know that monkeys exist.
in the 1970s.
Wow, this is a monkey, not a motorcycle.
A what? It's a monkey,
Yes.
not a motorcycle.
Yeah. See, look, it has eyeballs. 1, 2, 3. It's like a normal monkey.
It's a cool looking bike,
It
eh?
has a thing and it has a nice sea, a fur. This is fur.
So this is the exhaust.
No, that's fur. That's fur.
That's a what? A fur?
Yeah, that's and that's his tail. This is his tail.
Taillight.
No, that's his tail.
Taillights.
Oh, that's the sign of you getting dead by poison.
Nice, no, Hulyan? You like it?
I'm gonna get off now.
Monkey. It's doing a wheelie, oh? Wheelie! You wanna do that, Hulyan? Huh? A sidecar. Nice, ah. Oh, who's gonna ride the motorcycle? Maya, you drive. There you go, Markslen. Nice. Color maroon. So cute. Wow. So cute, no, Maya? Look at this, Hulyan, no?
Yes, it's a katana.
That's not a katana.
It is a katana.
Looks like a robot.
No, it's a katana. See, a sword.
That blends thoroughly modern styling and performance with a long show.
Let's go na. Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Katana is ideal for the enthusiasts who want to have a unique.
Hulyan's dad.
forget to subscribe.
Hey guys! Be sure to join our Facebook group page.